What's up, guys? Today we're gonna put subtitle in our movie. Let's have a look first in this movie titled Blacklight. There are a lot of good movies releasing every year, and some of this came from Korea. Some of us is trying to find Korean movies with English subtitle. Let's go ahead and find its subtitle. Ctrl plus left mouse click to open it to a new tab. Find the download button or clickable text in the page and download it. Wait until it's finished. Locate the downloaded file and extract it.
You're not the one when it's said and done. It's okay, baby, nothing really lasts forever. For now, let's run towards the sun. Think it'd be better if you don't let me go. Why you make my heart beat faster when we get close? Just take my hand, baby, let's lose control. Even if it's a disaster, I gotta know.
Rename it as Blacklight, and don't remove or change the SRT extension because it represents the subtitle domain for videos. It is important to save the MP4 and SRT file on the same folder. Double check if the SRT and MP4 is on the same file name except the extension. Let's go ahead and check if subtitle is working. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.